how to cancel Disney Plus subscription. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Now, the reason you may want to cancel your subscription is because you probably don't have enough money to keep making payments on it every month. Or maybe you just are not satisfied with the app and you just don't want to pay $7.99 $6.99 every month to keep the Disney Plus app running. Maybe your 7-day trial has just ended and you decided that you don't want to pay the subscription. Either way it go, guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to cancel the subscription. So as you can see, I am currently on my iPhone right now. So this is mainly for iPhone users. So if you're on your mobile device and you want to know what to do to cancel it, this is what you need to do. All right, so first of all, let me just say I downloaded Disney Plus. As you can see, well, I got the app, and me personally, I'm making a $6.99 a month payments on Disney, because I'm gonna go ahead and keep it, because I see myself using it every month. But and as you can see, they gave you a lot of movies. They basically give you every Disney movie that came out, and also the TV shows and stuff like that. But like I say, if you still want to cancel it, this is what you would do, for the people who do want to cancel it. You're simply going to, step one, scroll over till you see settings. And once you get on the settings tab, go ahead and click on settings. All right. Once you click settings, you're going to see your profile picture up here at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. Then once you do that, you're going to simply see the screen that looks like this. And what you want to do is you want to go hit subscriptions, which is right here. And after you hit subscriptions, you should see your subscription right here. This is Disney Plus. All right. This is what you're going to go to in order to cancel the app. So let's click right here. As you can see, it tells you Disney Plus monthly subscription, free for 1 week. And then, they charge you the $7 a month. Now, here it goes. It shows you options. These are my options. You can either pay $69.99 a year or $6.99 a month. All right. And so, yeah, if you want to cancel it, you see the button is like right below it where that says cancel. All you do is click on that button and it will cancel it. Now, let me read this real quick, though. You won't be, you won't be charged for the free trial. After the free trial ends, your subscription will renew at $6.99 unless canceled by November the 20th, 2019. So, and the reason it says November 2019 is because I downloaded the app in November, so 7 days prior. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. You just simply you just go into your settings, and once you get into your settings, click on your profile picture. And then when you get on your profile picture, when you click on your profile, go down to subscriptions. Once you get to subscriptions, you should see all of your subscriptions. And you will see the Disney app in there. All you're going to do is click on that, all right? And then hit cancel. And that is how you cancel the subscription. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it helped you out at all, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I have more videos that you're probably going to be interested in the future. So be sure to hit that subscription button. And also, check the descriptions. I may have my website in the description. If you want to visit that, you could. Go ahead and check the description for any links. Leave a comment. And I will see you guys soon. I appreciate you for watching.